today I'm going to show you step by step how you can use a pattern pack to put a word or a phrase with a beautiful design on it here in Inkscape. So the first thing that we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to move this over to the side so that we have space here to be able to work. I'm just going to put that right up here. And then I'm going to go over here and I'm just going to select my text tool and I'm going to draw a box and I'm going to type out the word that I would like to put a pattern on. So I'm going to have the word animal. And then from there, I'm going to select my entire word and I'm going to go up here to my font and I'm going to choose the font that I would like to use. I'm going to use the font Benji. And then from here, I can resize my word a little bit to make it a little bit bigger so it's easier for me to see. And then from here, I'm going to go up to path, object to path, and just make sure that that word is no longer a font. It's now into a path and a graphic that I can manipulate. Now, make sure that you pick out the font that you want before you do that, because once you turn this into a path, you can no longer adjust the font. And then I'm going to go to Object Ungroup so that if I want to manipulate any one of the letters or adjust them or turn them or anything like that, now's the time that I do that. Once I have them all looking exactly the way that I want, I'm going to go to Path Union, and that puts my entire word into one compound path. So it's not just grouped together, it's all in one compound path. So now that it's in one compound path, I'm ready to open up my digital paper pack. So I'm going to go to File, Open, and I have my digital paper pack right here that I've downloaded and I've unzipped, and I'm going to select on the paper pack that I want to use, which is this one right here, and I'm just going to click on OK, that it's going to open up, and it actually opens up over here in a brand new window, and I'm just going to select that paper pack. I'm going to do Control C and then Control V, and I'm going to copy and paste it here into my document. And then I'm going to push it all the way to the back, so it's on the bottom, okay? And then I'm going to select both my Word and my digital paper pack, and I'm going to go up here to Object, Clip, Set. And when I do that, it removes everything except for that word. And so now I've got a matching phrase here. It says wild animal. I've used my pattern pack. This works. You can do them great for Christmas to make some beautiful printables. Now I can save this as a PNG file. Make sure you have a transparent background, and you could even use this to sublimate or something like that. So that's how you are able to use those pattern packs and get a really cool looking pattern onto one of your fonts. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you back next time. Bye.